Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use your Facebook profile guys to make money online. The strategy can be done by absolutely anybody out there guys. And if you already have a Facebook account, now is your opportunity guys to use the strategy to monetize your account. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can start making money on Facebook guys, even if you're a complete newbie just getting started online. Okay, guys, so in order to get started with making money on Facebook, of course, you are going to need to have a Facebook account. Now, a majority of us out here already use Facebook on a daily basis, be it for personal use or business use. First of all, you are going to need a Facebook account. I recommend you start with a Facebook personal account, okay, with this strategy. Or you can start a Facebook business page as well if you don't feel very comfortable posting in your personal account. Now, with your personal account, it's actually going to get you more reach, okay? Because that's pretty much what has worked for me so far. Is actually posting on my Facebook personal profile and then putting it as a public post, because when you post as public and not private, then it means anyone can see that piece of content. And I've just realized guys, by just testing things out, that Facebook actually shows your content to more people if you post it in your personal page as an actual public I don't know, post or public video or whatever the case may be. So anyway, we'll get to that point soon. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure that you have a Facebook profile. So assuming that you have a Facebook profile, or you've registered for one, the next thing you want to do is you want to decide on a niche. What type of products do I want to sell online to make money? Facebook on its own is not going to pay you money for simply posting on Facebook, guys. You need to have a product to sell. Now, Facebook actually pays a few creators for their reels, but in order for this to work, you need to have a business account, and it's only a select few that actually gain access to that option. You want to start by picking a niche. So think about something that you want to do. So in my case, make money online, e-commerce, passive income is obviously my niche. So as you can see in my Facebook cover, it's all about what I do and how I can actually help somebody else out there. Okay, so it's all about how I help customers, because this is like your marketing billboard, essentially your cover image. So whatever you want to do, guys, you want to make sure that your cover image reflects on whatever service or whatever product or whatever help or result and transformation someone is going to get as a result of using your product and services or whatever you're trying to promote. So pick a niche, decide on whether you love travel, whether you love, motivational type stuff, pets, you want to tap into the pets niche, cats, dogs, weight loss niche, and things of that nature. So let's just assume that you were interested in selling weight loss products. The next thing you are going to do now is you need to find some products to promote. I know what you guys are thinking. Well, how do I find products to promote? I'm just getting started. I don't know what to sell. Where do I find products to promote, guys? Here's the good news. There's a lot of platforms out here that you can find products to sell, such as ClickBank. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform, guys, where you can find done for you products, guys. Other people have already created those products in your niche, right? Resell those products, and then you can earn a commission every time somebody buys via your link. So let's say you wanted to do weight loss. Let's choose weight loss as an example in this training. So I'll just go to health and fitness, guys, and then I'm just gonna go find, let's find diet and weight loss. Okay, so you want to find products that are already been sold in this niche. So we have a smoothie diet here, guys. You can decide to say, okay, I'm gonna help people lose weight with smoothies, and then you can now go on to promote the smoothie diet, guys, and generate income that way using your Facebook profile. So let's just go with the smoothie diet, guys, as an example, since whilst we're here, so we're not having to go through every single thing. But you can see there's more options here. You can play around, guys, and see what option resonates best with you. So let's just say I wanted to promote this smoothie diet, guys. This is a product that has, reviews and testimonials. There's already social proof, guys. So when you eventually send people to this link, guess what? It's going to pretty much do the selling for itself, right? So it's a 21-day smoothie diet. Now you can actually say, I help people lose weight quickly with the power of smoothies. And then when people ask you, how can I do that? Then you can now send them to your affiliate link. So in order to promote that product, guys, you just want to go here and hit that promote button. Okay. And then if you come down here and just click create hub link, it's going to create a link. Okay. That's going to be your unique referral link. And every time somebody buys via that link, you will earn a commission. Okay. So that's one way you can find products to promote without going out there to find vendors, buy your own inventory in bulk. You can just tap into a product that is already being sold and then earn a percentage commission. Okay. Another way to source products, guys, is to find a digital product for resale. One thing I love about digital wealth flippers is the fact that you can find done for you ebooks and templates that you can literally pay a one-time fee for. I'm talking like you can buy this book for $17, guys, and then resell that book over and over and over again on platforms like Etsy. You can literally open a free Etsy store, list that book for sale, get your Etsy link, guys, and then you can promote that on your Facebook account. As you can see on my Facebook page right here, I have a link here in my intro, which is basically a link to my product. So that could be your affiliate link that you've got there, guys. It could be the link to your Etsy store or whatever platforms you are currently using right now to promote or sell your products. And one thing I love about digital wealth flippers is the fact that, you can literally just buy these books and then it's a one-time fee, and then you can edit it and make changes to it, and then everything after that is just pure profit. You're not running out of stock. You're not coming back to buy another product. You're not having to come back and source the exact same product for resale. Once you purchase that product one time, you can make money over and over again. So now you have a product for sale. The next thing you want to do is you want to start creating content. And when I talk about content, I'm talking about reels, guys. You want to start creating reels. You can see on my Facebook profile, I have like a lot of reels that I upload here. I'm not very consistent on my Facebook game, but every time I post on Facebook, I get new leads to the Funnel Power program, guys, because that's my program that I'm also promoting here on Facebook. So this is short reels. And the beauty about reels, guys, is the fact that you can repurpose this content. You can post the exact same thing on Instagram, TikTok. Like, I'm just repurposing content from my Instagram account because my Instagram is already connected to my Facebook. So it's easy for me to just go ahead and repurpose content from my Instagram to my Facebook account as well. Okay. So guys, this is a very easy way to make that money on Facebook. And one beauty about Facebook Reels is the fact that it's not overly saturated. So a lot of people are not using Facebook Reels because they just don't know that there's even such a thing as Facebook Reels, because everyone is running to Instagram, everyone is running to TikTok. This presents a better opportunity for those of you guys who are currently using Facebook right now, because it means that your Reels are going to get more reach. Think about it. Facebook has twice the number of people that Instagram has. So if you're putting reels out here on Facebook, then there's a potential of it attracting double the size of people that you are attracting on Instagram right now. Okay. So Facebook is still one of the largest social media platforms, hands down. And if you're tapping into this Facebook reel feature, there's a higher chance that more people are going to see your content, because Facebook is going to push out your reels to more and more people, because you're tapping into their platform and you're tapping into something that a lot of people are just not doing, guys. This is like hidden money right here. Okay. So if you could do this consistently, guys, just creating content, entertainment content, value-based content, just sharing, things that are related to your niche, something weight loss related, guys. And then, send people to the link in your bio to learn more, or comment something below this video for more information or for access to the best, weight loss program or whatever the case may be. And then you send them your affiliate links or the link to your Etsy stores or whatever platforms you're using to sell your digital products, guys. And again, guys, I know I showed you guys my Facebook page. I've got my face out there. I know I've shown you guys my Facebook page, and you're probably thinking, well, do I have to put my face out there? What if I don't want to put my face out there? Thank God for Canva, right? This is why we have Canva. You can literally go on Canva and type in Reels. Okay, you type in Reels, and then it's going to bring Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is the exact same thing as Facebook Reels. Facebook owns Instagram, guys, so it's the exact same size, exact same dimension. I could literally come here, guys, okay? Now, I'm talking about weight loss, so I'm going to go for something like this. I like to go with ready-made templates, guys, and then I'll just customize a template like that, and then I'll just put something there like, 3 benefits of smoothies for weight loss or something of that sort. You're just offering people value. And then you can say, if you want to find the best, way to lose weight, the best smoothie weight loss system, check out the link in my bio. That can be your call to action, guys. So you can just be something like 3 ways to lose weight with smoothies. Guys, this is faceless rules. You don't have to put your face out there. Okay. It's so easy to do this, guys. Okay. And if you just dedicate yourself, just say 1 day a week, I'm going to go ahead and create 7 days worth of content, and then just let it run on autopilot, guys. Then I don't see how you cannot turn this thing into a money-making machine, an automated money-making machine, guys. Like, you just have to be dedicated. You just put yourself out there, just get started. Like, there's so much money to be made out here, guys, and you just need to tap into it. I cannot, like, you have all the videos here on YouTube telling you what to do. Just go ahead and do it, okay? So this is just a really dummy thing, guys. Like, I can go ahead and I can do 1, 2, 3, I don't know, benefits of losing weight. I can add a text. I can put something like ways to lose weight with smoothies. maybe 3 smoothie recipes. I don't know. Whatever the case may be, guys, you can just go ahead and list them. And then if I just click on play, you can see you can just go ahead and do a few things here, and then want to learn the best, the best smoothie weight loss recipes, see the link in my bio or comment weight loss below this video, and I'll send you more info. It's honestly that simple, guys. And Canva is free to use, guys, and you can create as many of those faceless reels as possible and just upload it to your Facebook page, guys, promoting whatever product you're trying to sell. Okay, it's honestly that simple. You don't have to put your face out there like me, okay? And anybody can do this, guys. So when you have your content, guys, you can just come on your Facebook page and you can start uploading that content as a reel. Like literally just come here, just reel. This I'm doing this on my desktop, so it's just a little bit annoying doing this on a desktop, but if you have a phone, it's very easy to just upload it on your phone. So I recommend that you create your templates on maybe your desktop and then download it to your phones, and then you can upload it to your Facebook account. And guys, when you have your reels, you can just come on here and just, upload it to your Facebook profile, guys. Make sure you use hashtags, hashtag weight loss, hashtag smoothies, because it's also going to help you gain that visibility, and make sure that you upload the content as public, okay? Once you do that, guys, you are going to start getting some views. You're going to start getting some comments, likes, people actually asking questions. This is literally like having a theme page on Facebook, guys. Just creating faceless reels, sharing value, and then sending people to the link in your bio to check out your products. This is your digital products or your affiliate products, whatever you're trying to sell right now. And that's how you're able to make a ton of money, guys, just using your Facebook profile to sell products that you never had to create yourself, okay? If you don't have your own products, you can use the strategy. You don't have to buy no bulk inventory, no post office errands, no running out of stock, guys. If you're using the strategy, there's always going to be recurring money going on at the back end. It's a 24/7 thing, and you can even schedule your reels, which means that you don't even have to be online 24/7 for this to work, guys. Just schedule your reels for the next week and then let everything run on autopilot. And all you're literally doing, guys, is just replying to your Facebook comments, replying to, any questions that people are asking you under your posts and things of that nature, and you can start generating you a ton of money just using Facebook. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're going to be trying the strategy, let me know below this video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.